Hello everybody, this is Scurvy Ragu. I'm here in Kitely. Let me minimize this. I'm here in Kitely and this is my land here, Black Sails. I'm going to show you how to sail an SPD type ship. Okay, first you got to board it. You see, with a pilot crew. Okay, there we go. Now let me turn myself around here. Hold on. What's that? There you go. And as you notice, the display up here says raise the sails, lower the sails, moor the ship, kedge left, kedge right, collisions off, collisions on. This is the cannon display here, which shoots the front cannons, shoots the rear cannons, and these rear cannons. Now the cannons can be adjusted by hitting that up arrow, and the black dot brings it back to default. Alright, let's sail. Okay, I'm going to raise the sails. Arr. Okay, as you see, this sail display here is very important. You have to keep it in mind all the time. Right now, the sail angle says 0 degrees. You got to use the up arrow on your keyboard to keep increasing that until the sail offset is as close to 0 as possible, which we have. Alright, we're approaching the way to get out of here, which is a self-opening bridge. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Now we're sailing out in the open ocean here. And keep adjusting your sails all the time. There we go. Alright, here we go. Now keep in mind that you have to always keep adjusting your sails here to make your sail offset as close to 0 as possible, which you see. Okay. I'm going to head back to port. Keep adjusting your sails all the time so you have maximum speed. Okie dokie. If you want to really learn how, I have some ships that are I can give you to for you to test it. You can test out your own ship, which is a good idea. Okay, I'm gonna lower the sails. There we go, which brings you to a slow stop. And if you want to moor the boat immediately, you hit moor. Okay, now the video is over. I hope you liked it. Let me stand. Okay, hold on. There I go. If you want to visit me, I'm in Black Sails in Tesson community in the Kitely grid. Okay? Thank you very much.